Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Ayan. Welcome again to my another, this is TikTok haul, okay? It's just delivered today and titingnan natin, anong laman ito? Okay. But actually, this is bikini. Alam ko bikini ito eh. Oh my God! Oh my God! O, ito nga. Ito ang laman niya, guys. Ang dami pala nito. Wow. Ang dami niyang laman. Okay. Let's check. Laka, guys. Ang dami niya. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Isang pack. Okay. So, pipili lang tayo ng 6. This is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, this is 6, guys. 6 pesos. So, yung iba, sa next video naman. So, pipili lang tayo ng 3 na kining mga lighters. Okay. Ito, maganda to. Okay. Kasi, 6 pala siya, guys. Okay. Ito yung ano natin today. 3. Hala, parang maganda yung quality niya, guys. I really like the quality. Hala, parang maliit to sa akin. Oh my gosh. I think this is small for me. Ito lang talaga, no size. Actually, this is free size pala. Yeah, free size. Look at this. Hala, kasya ba sa akin to? Oh my God. I feel like this is small to me. Oh, ang sabi, it is saying there are the free size. That's why I get this. But look at this, guys. I'm not sure kung kasya. I think this is not fit to me. Okay, so pero I will wear this. Okay, I will show you guys. Another is brown. Ano to? Brown or I think brown. Okay, let me say brown. Maganda din yung kanyang ano, guys. I really like it. Okay, maganda siya. Ang ano ko lang kasi baka maliit talaga siya. Good quality, yes. Good quality. Okay. Ito siya. Pack. And this one. Ay, ito yung brown. Magkaiba pala sila ng kulay, guys. This is parang red na parang ambot. Kini ang brown. This one is brown, guys. Okay. So, huwag na natin patagalin pa. So, oh my God, can you see? Parang maliit talaga siya, guys. I'm not sure ha, parang I think ha, this is small to me. Okay, I think this is small. I'm scared to wear this. I think my cookies will come out here. Okay, let's try this one. Fit lang pala siya. Medyo okay na siya kaysa doon sa so this is, guys, free size, which is okay naman siya. Can you see, guys? It's okay, right? It's okay. Okay lang siya na medyo maliit sa akin. So, yeah. So, ito, guys, yung parang gray. Ayan, so maganda naman yung ano niya, right? It's nice. Comfy also. It's comfy, good quality. Free size na rin siya, guys. There is no small size. So, this is the free size. So, yeah. Oo, maganda siya, right? It's nice. Parang very comfy to wear. Everyday wear. So, yan, maganda siya, guys. Look at this. Maganda, right? Very nice. Good quality.